So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create some YouTube thumbnails here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, make sure you go to the main screen here, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Once you're here under project type, press on social media. Right above where it says charts and graphs, right beside presentations and web graphics, press on social media. Now once you're here, I want you to slide this bar to where it says Facebook ads, Facebook posts, etc. Slide it to the right until you come across an option that says YouTube thumbnails. So keep sliding it to the right, keep sliding it to the right. Right here, it says YouTube thumbnails. Go ahead and press on that. Now what this does is it actually creates a proper dimension, the proper dimensions needed for a YouTube thumbnail. So as you can tell here, it's 8.5 by 11 inches. So that's equivalent to, I want to say 1920 by 1080 pixels, if I'm not mistaken, as well here on the Visme app. So what you can do now is either slide down and press on blank template if you just want a blank white screen of the same dimensions where you can go ahead and edit whatever you want. Or what you can do as well is keep scrolling and find possibly a different template that you like. So if you wanted to do 30 movies to watch before you die, a little bit dark of course, but if that's your channel or your video idea or whatever reason, simply just go ahead and press on that. Or perhaps you just like the way that there's the font with the photo behind it. Whatever the case may be, it's completely up to you. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load into the application. So as you can tell here, it has the text here. It has the picture in the background. You can now get creative. You can edit it complete whatever you want. This is just an example, but that's how you guys can create a YouTube thumbnail here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.